Today I'm going to be showing you how to turn yourself into a very simple skeleton. It is not a hard look to do, it just takes a little bit of time sometimes just to get all the blending and stuff right, but it is not like a super hard Halloween makeup. It is quite easy and it's so easy to put your own twist on it and everything like that. So yeah, if you would like to see how I have done this look, then please keep watching. Okay, so I'm going to go in with my lightest shade of foundation because I want my skin to be just that little bit much more paler. So this is Revlon Colour Stay in 110 Ivory, and this is pretty much my winter shade if I don't have any tan on whatsoever. So that is what we're going to do. So now I'm just getting a concealer, which is the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind in Light Pale, and I'm just going to put that on all my pimples and redness because I do have a lot going on at the moment because I've been really sick. So I'm just going to cover all that up, and I'm also going to do my under eyes just to give it a nice even base. Now I'm just getting my Rimmel London transparent powder in 001, and I'm just going to put that all over my face. So now I'm just going to do my eyebrows as normal because that doesn't really change too much. I'm just going in with my NYX brow powder in Taupe Ash, and I just usually take this colour here. So firstly I'm getting my Disney Designer Collection palette by Colourpop, and I'm just taking the colour Chip, so this one here. And now I'm just getting my Ben Nye eyeshadow in Red Hot, and I'm just going to go over where I just did that colour just a little bit. Now I'm just getting my Stila Eyes of the Window Soul palette, and I'm just taking this black shade here which is called Vitality, and I'm pretty much just going to put that all over my lid. So I'm just going in with that first shade Abu, and I'm just going to put it in the inner corners of my eyes. And then very lightly I'm just going to get the same black and just put a little bit in there as well. And then just want to drag a bit of the black so it kind of joins up to it. Now underneath my eye I'm getting the same Abu colour. Oops. And I'm going to be spreading that underneath. And then I'm also going to be adding a bit of the red. You want to add that more further down because you're going to be putting black on top of this as well. So you want the red to come through quite a bit. Not a bit, but kind of like the top. And now I'm just going in with that black and I'm going to spread it underneath my eye as well. You just want to make sure everything is very blended and like kind of like smoky. I'm getting a very small dense brush, just patting the product on both sides, and it's just, you kind of want to create the skull shape. And then with the same brush, I'm just going to make this line a bit more strong. And now I'm getting the Ben Nye Contour number 1. I'm going to kind of just be putting the colour underneath, just to hollow it out just a bit. So now I'm just getting my Tarte liner in Precision Longwear. It's my Precision Longwear liner by Tarte. And I'm just going to line the top lash line. Now I'm just getting my NYX black liner pencil and I'm going to line my waterline. I'm just getting my Tarte in Tartiest mascara, so this one. And I'm just going to put mascara on my bottom and top lashes. Now I'm getting my Ben Nye Contour 1 again. I'm just getting a contour brush. And you want to kind of do it like a normal contour, but you also want to like drag it down at the end. And with this brown, you just kind of want to drag it down so it blends, and then we'll put black on top after. While we have that contour out, I'm also going to do the top of my head to hollow out these bits here. And then I'm also going to do my jawline, because you want a very strong jawline. It's pretty much just a lot of shading. Now I'm just getting the black very lightly, just to make the top of the cheekbones just a little bit darker. And then I'm also going to do it around the top as well, just to make these bits a bit darker. Now I'm just getting a little bit of my concealer, because you just want to mute out all the pink on your lips. Before we go on with anything else, I'm just getting some Model Rock lashes. They don't have a number or anything, so I don't know which ones they are, but they look like that. Okay, don't use those eyelashes I just showed you. They are so bloody stiff that it is so hard to get on. I'm going to do the nose first, And I'm just getting my Tarte eyeliner again. Now to fill it in, I'm just getting my MAC black gel eyeliner in Black Track and I'm just going to paint my nose. Now I'm just getting a little bit of the same black eyeshadow and I'm just going to put a little bit on the inside of my lips. And now I'm just getting the same Tarte eyeliner and I'm going to draw 2 lines either side of my mouth. And now I'm just going to do lines down this way. Oh shit. And then very lightly with my contour, I'm just going to go in each little thing and just give it a little bit of shading, just a little bit. Okay, so this is the final look. It's weird when I smile, sorry. Thank you for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to see any more Halloween makeup tutorials like this, then please let me know. And I do have a few up my sleeve already that I want to do, so hopefully I get a chance to do those. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it and I'll see you guys later. Bye!